I'm sure you have heard of AI tools like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, and Devin AI. Maybe you're even using them already. But what does this mean for us as software engineers? Are we going to survive, or AI will eventually replace us? In this video, we are diving into that very question. If you are a junior developer or just starting out, this video is a must watch. So, without further ado, let's get started. Hi there, welcome to Tech and Career Bites. I'm a software professional with over 2 decades of experience, including 7 years in leadership roles at a global product based organization. With generative AI making waves in the tech world, it is natural to wonder what this means for software engineers, especially junior developers who are just starting out. So, let's break it down and see what's really happening. Let's start with how the expectations for junior developers are changing. In the past, junior developers used to learn the basics by doing things like writing boilerplate code, debugging and fixing minor issues, implementing simple features, integrating APIs and UI components, maintaining documentation, and communicate and collaborate with various teams. These tasks were not just about keeping busy, they were crucial for building up skills and getting a feel for the world of software development. But now, with tools like ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot, a lot of these basic tasks can be automated. AI can generate code snippet, suggest bug fixes, and can even help with the documentation. Sounds great, right? But then the question arises, what is expected from junior developers now that AI tools are handling many of their tasks? Junior developers today are expected to handle complex tasks much sooner. The learning curve is steeper, often feeling like being thrown into the deeper end. So, what exactly is expected from junior developers now? What are these complex tasks? And what do we need to learn to get there? We will discuss all of that in just a few minutes. Stay tuned. If AI is doing most of the tasks, does this mean junior developers are no longer needed? That would be wrong to say. Think of it this way. Just because we have calculators and computers does not mean we stop learning math, right? While AI is powerful, it has some pretty big limitations. And these limitations are exactly why human developers are still crucial. For example, tasks like integrating APIs and UI components might seem straightforward, but doing it in a way that creates an awesome user experience, that's a different ballgame. Writing software is not just about tossing some code. It is about making it optimized, maintainable, and scalable. All things that require human brains. Let's break it down and understand what we mean. Human developers know when to make trade offs, like when to prioritize speed over memory. AI might not catch these subtleties. We think ahead using clear naming conventions and comments. AI, not so much. Humans think about how the code will need to grow over time, tackling complex scalability challenges AI might miss. For example, when we are building something like an e-commerce website, we might need to consider things like user behavior, business rules, and performance. AI might handle the basics, but it does not get the full picture. That is where we, the human developer, come in. AI can help write code, but it does not understand the broader context, like how users interact with shopping carts or what happens if an item goes out of stock. Without understanding the bigger picture, AI generated code might miss the mark. Underneath all the coding, the core of a developer's job is problem solving. This involves understanding the problem, finding a solution, and then coding it. AI is great at that last part, writing the code. But it can't really solve problems on its own. It does not have the context or judgment to handle everything that comes before coding. And even after AI does its thing, a human still needs to review and tweak that code. AI operates in a closed loop, working within the patterns it has learned from existing data. It is great at following the rules, but it lacks the creativity to think outside the box. Humans, on the other hand, can innovate and come up with fresh ideas. That is why AI generated outputs often feel a bit mechanical. They are missing that spark of human originality. If you are an entry level engineer, here is what you need to focus on to thrive in the AI era. Get comfortable with tools like ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot. Know their strengths and weaknesses, and learn prompt engineering. Know how to validate the code they generate. AI can't replace strong coding fundamentals. Make sure you're solid on data structures, algorithms, and design patterns. Be comfortable with core computer science concepts and system design. Focus on making the code optimized, maintainable, and scalable. Look for opportunities to reduce the tech debt at work. Sounds like a lot? Remember, the learning curve is steeper. AI is great for routine tasks, but your ability to solve unique, complex problems is what will set you apart. The tech world is always changing. Stay up to date with new tools and methodologies and be ready to adapt. You can find some good learning resources in the description box. Acquire domain knowledge for better understanding of the business and customer. With AI handling more coding, your ability to communicate well, understand project requirements, and collaborate with your team is more important than ever. I understand the challenge. There are millions of software engineers striving to excel in the rapidly evolving world of generative AI. So, what can you do to stand out? Here are a few suggestions. Showcase your technical strengths and broad knowledge by working on a variety of projects. This not only demonstrates your skills but also your adaptability. Get involved in the community. Open source contributions and coding contests can help you gain visibility, collaborate with others, and refine your abilities. Regularly practice and improve your interviewing techniques. Being able to effectively communicate your skills and experiences is crucial. I have added some learning resources in the description that could help you out. Please take a look. So, in conclusion, while generative AI is changing the game, it is not replacing the need for junior developers. The key to success is to embrace these tools, stay flexible, and keep learning. Remember, AI is here to help you, not replace you. At least, not immediately. Keep coding, keep growing, and stay ahead of the competition. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more interesting tech topics. Do check out our other videos on software performance optimization case studies, coding, system design, big data, and career growth. My name is Rupa, and I thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.